have my ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda if you are new to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you haven't subscribed, please do click that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So guys, I am in an Airbnb in Port Elizabeth on vacation with my family. But today it's a Monday and we're checking out. We only came for like a weekend. And I thought, as I was packing my stuff, I thought, why not do a what's in my bag video for you guys. There's a lot in this bag. You can see how small it is, but there is a lot in this bag, guys. There's a lot. So let me start. Okay, I have a phone, first phone, and there's another phone. I have my I have my router, my Wi-Fi from Vodacom, and then I have power bank, because I feel like you always have to carry a power bank, especially if you live in South Africa. There's always load shedding, so make sure your power bank is in your bag and it's fully charged. And then I have cables. This is for charging the power bank and the router for the Wi-Fi, and this is the cable for my iPhones. And I have sunscreen, my favorite sunscreen. I have like this brush that I use for, you know, brushing my eyebrows or eyelining my lip. Then I have a lip gloss and a lip balm. What else do I have? I have some sweets, a small perfume, and just a tissue, and a bunch of my cards, you know, medical aid, driver's license, and some cash. So that's all, guys. The video is very short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed my what's in my bag video. So yeah, thank you guys. See you in my next video.